So congrats sa dami ng awards ng Walang Aray. 4 ba today?
4 po, opo.
And then I thought, di ba may vote dapat sa most, ano, di ba?
Yes po.
Nanalo ba si Alexa?
Alexa po, hindi lang po namin ako. Medyo nag-confuse kami kanina dun sa pagbigay ng award. Pero kukunin lang po namin later.
She won?
Yes po.
About KD?
Si Alexa lang po.
Yung fan voting?
Apo.
So, congrats to Alexa, and ang daming magkakagulo sa Twitter ulit for sure. And nasan sila ngayon? Japan or Dubai?
Wala po kaming idea. Hindi po namin
alam. Hindi kayo nag-usap pa.
po.
So, I want to know also, anong masasabi mo about yung si Alexa and KD dun sa roles nila?
They were really good. They were really hardworking. At the very first time, dahil first theater production nila ito, I was actually honestly afraid sa kanila kasi parang dahil hindi sila sanay sa language ng theater, hindi sila sanay sa language nung stage, sanay sila sa film na puro cut. So I keep on reminding them to work hard kasi ibang medium talaga yung theater. And I think they really did work hard. Every show na ginagawa nila, I always go backstage and give them notes, and I see their improvement every show. Lalo na si KD, kasi si KD, you see him in the corner sometimes, parang really thinking hard or tahimik na lang, tapos minsan isip ko you did not like your performance today, hindi po masyado. Why is it? Tapos meron kaming mga processing, meron kaming mga pinag-uusapan tayo, nag-improve. Tapos nung nakuha niya yung isang gusto kong mangyari sa isang eksena, sobrang ecstatic niya. Sobrang tuwang-tuwa siya dun sa idea na yun. Nakuha ko I think after 4 shows. There was one specific scene na sabi ko, it needs to go to this point. And the first 3 shows niya, parang hindi niya na-achieve. And his 4th or 5th show, I think, nakuha niya yun. Tapos sobra ko siyang niyakap sa backstage. And sabi ko, KD, ito yun! Ganun sa kanya. But Alexa is really a
voice
gem.
Is really pasok, no?
Sobra,
sa
opo.
Broadway.
Pero takot siya nun. Natakot siya kasi...
Hindi pa niya dinalabas yung voice sa time?
Natakot siya lalo ng simula kasi hindi niya actually range masyado yung songs. Medyo mataas para sa kanya. Actually, para sa musical director namin, hindi. Sabi niya, kaya mo yun, takot ka lang, hindi ka lang sanay na abutin yung notes na yun. Kaya feeling mo, hindi mo...
She did better and better as
She did better and better. Tapos takot siya kasi dati takot siya na mawala siya sa tono. Sabi ko, but it's live.
Pero in terms of comedy, kuha nila.
Kuha niya. Kasi rin malaking tulong yung cast eh. Malaking tulong talaga yung cast. Oo. Everyone in the cast, the ensemble, their alternates, hindi siya yung tipong, ikaw meron kang sariling role, bahala ka sa role mo, ako bahala sa role ko. Hindi yun ganun sa amin.
They were the 2 main characters talaga, di ba?
Yes.
Pero yung other alternates nila, kamusta naman? They're veterans in theater naman.
Yes, they are veterans in theater.
So hindi sila nagka-problema sa singing and acting masyado?
Hindi naman. At ina-assist din nila si KD at Alexa. Kasi syempre, dahil these 2 are new on stage, hindi nila alam kung paano i-position yung sarili nila.
Was there a comparison between the 3?
We never had that kind of...
Different talaga yung story?
Syempre, it's the same story, but they have a different attack to their characters. And I as a director, I allowed them to...
This is the first ABS-CBN collab with PETA, di ba?
Yes.
And the second is Tabing Ilog.
Tabing Ilog, yes.
Ano yung review mo naman? Did you watch the Tabing Ilog?
I watched it once.
Who was
once lang po.
there? Sino yung nag-play ng role?
Sino po?
Sino yung mga artists na nag-play doon?
Hindi ko po masyadong kilala lahat.
Pero you like
I enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. I really like the music. I like the staging. Of course, dahil alam mo na karamihan sa mga artists are new in the theater. Of course, you will have a lot of comments. I mean, even with KD and Alexa, even as I was watching them, we're watching them in Walang Aray, laging marami akong comments sa kanila. But it's not that they're not good. Parang you know that there is always a space for improvement. And I think for the ABS-CBN artists na nakasama sa Tabing Ilog, I think they still have more space to improve. And if they develop it further, they will become really amazing musical theater actors.
And that theater acting can translate to their movie acting, right?
Yes.
It'll help them, diba? So, anong masasabi mo na, may isa pa, di ba? Movie na, may isa pang collaboration soon?
Yeah, we're doing One More Chance, the musical featuring the music of Ben and Ben.
Kayo po rin yung director doon?
Hindi po ako ang director doon. Si Miss Maribel Legarda po ang director noon, our artistic director.
Congrats naman kay Alexa for her award and pati sa fans ni KD and Lexa.
Alexa, congratulations on your award. KD Lex, to all the fans, sorry po hindi ko man maalala ang lahat ng mga fan names nila.
Okay lang.
Baka mamaya magkamali ako.
May solid kasi na KD, may solid na Alexa.
Yes. So lahat po ng fans na naging kaibigan namin sa Walang Aray, please root for your sweethearts. Yun, tama ako dun. Please root for your sweethearts. Si KD at si Alexa, they've grown a lot since Walang Aray, and I'm really, really, really super proud of them, of what they have achieved in Walang Aray.
Congrats sa lahat ng production ng Walang Aray cast, and for the 4 awards you received. Did you expect it to win here sa
Hindi po. Actually, hindi po. Parang ako nga, dito lang ako parang just to have that experience, to be with the other theater artists. Kasi ang gaganda ng lahat ng mga palabas nitong nakaraang taon.
Nabuhay na talaga ang ating industry after the pandemic.
Kanina nga parang nag-award, parang sabi namin, ang hirap no? Ang hirap isipin kung alin talaga yung mananalo kasi all of these productions are really good. Parang,
I have something with the leap year. Parang more success pag leap year. You take a leap. A leap of faith.
Yes.
Walang Aray. Ano ulit sabihin ng Walang Aray?
Walang Aray is based on the Sarsuela Walang Sugat ni Severino Reyes. So, Walang Aray, tumindig at umibig.
Yeah. At very funny yung show nyo. One of the first PETA I watched is Rock of Ages. Sobrang nakakatawa rin. So congrats PETA, and thank you Leaf Awards. This is Happy Rich TV with Direct
Ian Sigara po.
Yan. Congrats again. Bye. Bye KD Lex.